How to change or edit page name in Facebook Lite. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to change or edit page name in Facebook Lite. Open your Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Locate and tap on Settings and Privacy. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Settings to expand the menu further. Find Page Settings and tap on it. Under Personal Information, locate and tap on Name option. In the next screen, you will see your current page name. Clear the previous name and enter the new name you wish to use. Keep in mind that you won't be able to change the page name again for next 60 days. After entering the new name, click on Review Changes. For security purpose, Facebook will prompt you to enter your Facebook password. Input your password and then click on Save Changes. Wait for a moment as the Facebook processes the update. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your page name has been successfully updated. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.